tasted. All the recipes here are tried and tested. Since you guys are here watching this video, I assume that you must have had cake rusk at least once in your life. I have so many memories attached to this simple yet delicious biscuit. My father used to buy these for us from a very famous bakery in Lucknow, and we all loved it. And whenever we used to go to our maternal aunts in Kolkata, we used to give them these two, and they all loved it as well. And then I grew and totally forgot about them. One day I came across a recipe for making cake rusk, and since then and there itself, I knew that I have to make these. And since then, the legacy restarted. Now I make it for my daughter, my family and friends, and they totally love it. In fact, one of my very close friends, she said that she has had a lot of cake rusk, but this one, the one that I make, specifically these, like, I'm not boasting as such, but I just want to tell you that she says that these are so delicious that she's even willing to buy these from me. So if you also like cake rusk, make these, comment below and let me know that you like them. Also, since you like them, you have to press the like button as well and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you have the arc sign around it. The bell icon is right near the subscribe button. So when you see that arc sign around it, this means that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification for it. Now let's get into the ingredients. I'll roughly go through the ingredients now. The exact measurements are in the description below. So here I have some all-purpose flour, some white granulated sugar, then a pinch of salt, some baking powder. I am using 5 medium-sized eggs. If you're using large eggs, 4 should be good enough. Even if you use 5, it's absolutely fine. It won't make much difference. Then I have vanilla essence. It is very important. We can't skip it because we are using a lot of eggs. So to compensate with the smell of egg, we need a good amount of vanilla essence in it. And then here I have some butter. I tried to soften it in the microwave and I accidentally put it for a little longer and it has melted completely, but that is fine too. It won't make much difference at all. Plus, I've also preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's prepare it. So before starting here, I have taken a rectangular oven-safe dish and I have greased it with butter and lined with parchment paper. For preparing the batter, in a big bowl here, I have taken some butter and in it I am adding sugar, and then I will beat it until everything is well combined. You can also use hand whisk for this step. After the batter is light and fluffy, now I am incorporating eggs in it one at a time. Cracking the eggs from beforehand and keeping it in bowl is very handy while baking. And now here goes the last egg. I have been beating this batter continuously throughout the process of adding eggs. Since we added a good amount of egg in it, so to compensate the smell of the egg, we are also adding a good amount of vanilla essence or extract in it, and then beat it until it's well combined. Now the wet ingredients are done. Let's come to the dry ingredients. So here in a sifter, I have taken some all-purpose flour. In it, I'm adding baking powder along with some salt. Now I will gradually sift this flour mixture into the wet ingredients. So for it, first only I'll sift half of it, fold the batter, and then sift the remaining half and fold it again until everything is combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl as well to combine any dry ingredient, and now the batter is ready. Now I'm transferring this batter to the greased pan, and like I mentioned before, the oven is already preheated. Just tilt the tray in all the direction to smoothen the top and spread it all over. And now this beauty goes in oven for 20 minutes. Look at the crispy dark top, and this is what I was aiming at. I'll also insert a skewer to make sure that it's well cooked from inside. And now I'm going to flip it on this cooling rack and let it cool down completely for 1 hour. It's just 30 minutes, but enough is enough. I couldn't wait any longer. Looks like patience is not my best quality when food is concerned. So now I'm just going to slice it from between lengthwise. Many years ago, when I first saw a video on how to make cake rusk, trust me, I was totally taken aback that how can something so delicious is so easy to make. Comment below if you feel the same right now. So you can see that I'm just slicing the pieces now. The slices are neither too thick nor thin, though my slices are appearing a little thick, but I would say that half an inch is the perfect thickness for these slices. I have also preheated my oven at 300 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. Now here I have a cookie sheet and I have lined it with a silicone mat. You can also use a parchment paper or any non-stick base, and I'm carefully placing these cake rusk pieces on it. There is no need of any space between the slices as they are not going to expand. And finally I was able to place all the slices in this cookie sheet, and I'm going to bake it until they get little brown spot on both the sides, and I'll flip it also once in between. So I baked them for 20 minutes, flipped, again 20 minutes, and then flipped again and baked for another 10 minutes. It all varies according to the thickness of the slices you cut it into. They are still soft, but don't overbake it. They will become crispy as they cool down. And this is how crispy they are just after an hour. Exactly like the one you get in a bakery.